Welcome back, viewers. There is an individual by the name of Gopal Mandal. He's a leader of the JDU, a four-time MLA no less. But when you hear of something being and someone being a four-time MLA, the last thing that probably comes to your mind is what you're seeing on your screens right now. The MLA from Bihar's Gopalpur has made headlines multiple times, and that too for all the wrong reasons. And yet again, Gopal Mandal is in the eye of the storm following his latest antics, vulgarity and perversion. Videos of the JDU MLA that are going viral, where the leader can be seen dancing with female artists, then he goes on to boast in front of the audience that I kiss daily. There are other words of the JDU MLA who doesn't stop there, where he goes on to paste a currency note on the cheek of the female artist, and then he goes on to make further lewd gestures and indecent remarks, comments that you expect from a hooligan at best and not from a four-time MLA. This is the same MLA who put a few years ago had said his party and had put his party rather in a spot when he was spotted walking across the train only wearing undergarments. But this time he has taken it a step further. Listen in to believe it for yourselves.
लोग कहता डांस करता है, डेली डांस करते हैं, डेली चुम्मा लेते आज वो अरे गोपाल मंडल अगर अपने बच्ची को उत्साहित कर दिया तो वायरल करने का क्या जरूरत है? ये मुख्यमंत्री को भड़काने वाला। अरे मैं तो नेता हूँ, अभिनेता भी हूँ। पानी में बूंद का डूब गए थे।
Well, Adib is connected with us. Adib, what to say? I mean, this video that has been going viral of this Neta, he's calling himself Neta and an Abhineta. It is sickening really to see it.
Well, definitely, Amita, and what we can expect from an MLA. He's an MLA, he's a minister in Bihar, and a minister is expected for the security of women. But he's a minister, and then he's speaking like this, he's dancing in a public space, and then too, he's making such kind of comments, derogatory remarks against the women. In fact, we have some women who are enjoying their cup of tea in the morning. There's a minister in Bihar, एक मंत्री है बिहार में जो महिलाओं के लिए indecent comments यूज कर रहा है, कह रहा हम तो ऐसे ही करते हैं, ये हमारा कल्चर है. आप लोगों का इस पे क्या कहना है कि इस तरह के मंत्री से आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं?
I feel how can a minister make such derogatory remarks about women, especially at the time when we talk of women empowerment and women equality, and we expect ministers and the people who are at position to do something to protect women during these times. So I think that he should come forward to apologize, and he should not only apologize but he should really mean it.
What do you have to say when a minister says that he is going to do and this is his culture? Do you think that he should apologize and come forward because we expect that an MLA or minister should be working for the protection of the women?
Absolutely, it's a very shameful act, as ministers are the leaders which lead the country. They are the leaders of a society elected by us, and when we see such indecent comments made by such ministers, it is very disappointing and it is very disrespectful for the women. Demeaning women is not a kind of mindset that we promote, and the minister should really held responsible for his words, for his actions, and he should come forward and say sorry for it.
What do you have to say on this particular minister? He's the minister in Bihar government. Then too he says, and there's no clarification just whatsoever from the chief minister yet.
I firmly agree with her that I believe that a minister should contribute to upliftment of women instead of degrading them, and making such derogatory comments about a woman is completely unacceptable, and I think it is very derogatory.
So, Amita, you see people here, they say that minister should apologize. एक मंत्री हैं बिहार के, वो महिलाओं के लिए टिप्पणी करते हैं, अशोभनीय भाषा का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. क्या आपको लगता है इस तरह की भाषा मंत्री की होनी चाहिए?
Well, he's a MLA, Adib. A quick correction there, because as we are speaking of this JDU MLA, Gopal Mandal, who has been making crass remarks, he's been caught on camera placing 500 rupee note on a female dancer, an artist, and he's been seen dancing and singing to vulgar songs as well. Absolutely shameful.